With the complete network modeled on the canvas, we can now start to configure the individual components. Let's start with this inflow. By simply double-clicking on the component that you wish to select, the right-hand properties window will appear. So let's start by changing the name of this inflow to Feeder 1. Once we've entered the name, we can open all of the accordions in the panel to see all of the potential changes we can make to this component. For today, we're only going to be changing the max rate of barrels per hour that this inflow will be feeding. And we will make that 2,000 barrels per hour. We're not going to limit the inflow for commodities, pools, and shippers just yet. So let's change our second inflow to Feeder 2, and we can this time only open the flow configuration to change our max rate. So when configuring the tanks, let's call this one Tank 1. The working size will be 400,000 barrels. The minimum working level, 40,000. And the absolute bottom, 8,000 barrels. As you can see, there are many accordions with lots of different options that you can use to configure your tank, but today we're only going to be sticking with the basic configuration. So moving on to Tank 2. Tank 2 will have the same configuration as Tank 1. So 400,000, 40,000 minimum working level, and 8,000 absolute bottom. And you'll notice that when I change the name in the field here, it automatically changes the name of the component on the canvas. As you'll see, when I change the name of outflow number 1 to final destination 1. And same here to final destination 2. So this is how you can configure components within the canvas of SimOpti. Next, we'll be going over how to configure the components via the tabular menus.